Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 that will absolutely surprise you. Some of these you may have heard of, but others will shock you. Make sure to stick around until number 1, because it's the most unbelievable of them all.
If you enjoy spending time alone, what type of person are you?
Inverter. Ang English ng, ano ka ba?
What are you doing?
May tanong ako!
May tanong ka?
Oh. Anong hayop ang nagsasalita ng bakit?
Meron ba nun?
Meron!
Ano yun?
Unggoy.
Onggoy?
Oh!
Bakit?
O tingnan mo!
Sige. Anong pangalan mo?
My name is...
Ano?
My name is...
Ay, hindi. Sorry. Hindi pa din nagsisimula. Akin nga siya. Hindi pa din nagsisimula. Sige, anong pangalan?
To her. They believed her statement. Now, would you like to say something? Make a message to our viewers.
Mga kababayan ko, hindi po ako narito.
You can say in English kasi para maintindihan din ni ano.
All my fellow Filipinos. Now, this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn. Kanya mo.
Okay. Sige, okay lang yan. Okay. Tagalog na lang pala. Tagalogin mo lang sa mga kababayan naman natin pala to. Sige, wag na stop, look, and listen. Ano yung trend? Parating ng PNR. Okay, sige. Ulit, tuloy lang.
And that wraps up our top 5. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing countdowns just like this. See you in the next video.